buying titled land? Or are you planning to buy titled land in the future? Are you saving your money and you want it to do something for you? Then it's very important for you to know this at the back of your mind before you buy that land. Hi, my name is Joan.A and welcome back to Joan. Now, it's very important for you to know what a caveat is before you buy that land. A caveat is a legal notice or a formal notice given to the Registry of Titles, informing him or her that the caveator has a caveatable interest in the land. Simply put, the buyer has an interest in the land that needs to be protected. Why is it very important for you to know what a caveat is? A caveat records your interest in the land that is not already recorded on the certificate of title. Normally, when you obtain a certificate of title, you're going to see the owner. However, you're not going to be able to know who else has an interest in this land. Now, who can lodge or register a caveat on this land? A buyer can lodge a caveat on the land. That is one who has already had a sale agreement with the seller and you're yet to initiate the transfer process. So now this will save you in case the seller wants to sell to other people. It will protect your interest in this land that you're purchasing and it will save you from fraud. The second category of people that can lodge a caveat is a spouse. That could be a husband or a wife. If you're suspicious that your husband or your wife wants to initiate a land transaction on this land that will undermine your interest, you can lodge a caveat on this land. First of all, no transaction will happen on that land without you not being notified from the lands office. Secondly, no transaction will happen on that land without that caveat being removed. The third category of people that can lodge a caveat is a beneficiary. A beneficiary could be a child of the deceased. Now, let's take an example. Your parent didn't leave a will and you're suspicious the administrator wants to sell off the land, wants to mismanage the land, or anyone else. You can lodge this caveat. It will protect your interest in that land because nothing will go by without you being notified and nothing will go by without that caveat being removed.